If you are above 25, you must watch this video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Always remember you are never too late to start your skincare journey. So today we are going to discuss about some must-have body lotions what I use for my mature skin. I have normal to dry skin, so you can choose your body lotions according to your skin type and budget. I will show you what I use for my normal to dry skin. So first thing you need a moisturizing lotion. So I use this two. This one is by Dr. Reddy's Venusia Max Intensive Moisturizing Lotion for all skin types and everyday use. This one is my favorite. I use it regularly. It is almost empty. This is paraben free, alcohol free, mineral oil free and cruelty free. This hydrates my skin up to 12 to 14 hours. For mature skin, you have to always moisturize your body and face, both. And another option is this one. This is by Tony Moly Under Ceramide Mochi Emulsion. This can be used on face and body both. So this one mostly I use it in my hands and face, and I love this one. This is 500-gram bottle and price is 1088. This is 300 ml bottle and the price is 1500. This one I really love because this is very thin consistency and it's like serum kind of. So I love to use it on my hands and face always. So these are the two options I regularly use as a moisturizer and I love both of them. I use these two lotions whenever I feel like my skin is getting dry, dehydrated, and I just love these two to use any time of the day. These two options are really good. You can try them. Next, you need a body lotion with AHA, BHA. For mature skin, most common problem is pigmentation and suntan. So for that, this is really great. So I will give you two options in this. One is by Chemistat Play AHA body lotion. It has 5% natural AHA, niacinamide and shea butter. And this one is by Wishcare AHA plus BHA body lotions. It has 10% AHA blend, 1% salicylic acid, niacinamide, grapefruit and blueberry. So this one is going to work for body acne also. And this one is only AHA body lotion. Both are really great. So these two things I use it thrice a week in alternate days, not every day. So these can be used every day, but I don't use it every day because I don't really need them for everyday use. So I use it weekly thrice. So I love both of this. Chemistat Play retails for $3.99 for 236 ml product and Wishcare AHA body lotion 200 ml retails for $499. But if you compare these two, I like this one more because I have bad acne, so these are reduced. I love this. This AHA body lotions can be used in daytime and nighttime both, but I will suggest you to use it at nighttime because if you wear it in daytime, then again you have to wear sunscreen. Sunscreen is always must, so you can use, but I will suggest to go for night. Next, we need a body lotion with retinol because for mature skin, we often get wrinkles, fine lines for face and body also. So for the body, I will suggest to go for retinol. If you are using on only face, then your face will glow but body will not glow. So we need the glow back. So this is the thing I am using from very long time. So in this I have only one option because this one I love it so much that I exhausted almost 4 or 5 packs. This is 200 ml tube and retails for 349 rupees. This is very moisturizing and I love this fragrance. It's like chocolate, vanilla chocolate, something like that, and I really love this one. It is so good that you don't need any other moisturizer to use this retinol body lotion. I don't have too much wrinkles, so that I don't need to use it every day. So I use it weekly 3 times or alternate days. So this one I use it only for night. So this is the retinol body lotion. Now the last product and very important product. This is a body sunscreen. See, I have Wishcare one, but you can go any brand, whatever you like, whatever is suitable for your skin. But you must wear sunscreen whenever you are going out. So this is Wishcare sunscreen body lotion. It protects UVA and UVB. It has niacinamide, ceramide, carrot seed, and raspberry. It is SPF 50 triple plus. So I think for body sunscreen, this is the most affordable and most effective body sunscreen I have ever used. This one I use every day. I never miss it because I have to go every day for my gym, for workout, for some other things. I have some meetings and also I always face the sun. So I need this. If your routine is also like that, so you can also go for sunscreen. Even if you use it in home, it's great for your skin. Price is 4.99 and it's a 200 ml bottle. So I think whoever is above 25, they should have all these body lotions to take care of their body skin. I think this is the full body care routine. So I think you should follow it. So this is about all these body lotions today. I hope this video will be helpful. If you like my videos, give a thumbs up. If it is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.